Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. When you are learning to drive, you want to make sure that you are comfortable in your sitting position so that you learn easily. Unless you are comfortable, you're going to feel uncomfortable when you're learning. So, especially in the beginning, when you are learning to drive, you want to make sure that you are sitting, you are comfortable for you to drive. In this video, I'm going to share with you few things. I'm going to give you a few tips so that you are comfortable in your sitting position so that when you're learning, it makes the journey easy for you to learn. Let's start the lesson. Okay, so when you're learning to drive, you want to make sure that you are comfortable. Many learners, when they start to learn to drive, in their sitting position, they're uncomfortable. They're never happy in the beginning. They really feel uncomfortable when they're learning. Remember, you're learning something new, which means that you need to get used to it with this learning. And for you to get used to it, you just have to do it a few times. But in the beginning, there are few things you can do, few setups you can do to make sure that you are comfortable. And one of the most important thing you need to do is your sitting position. The way you sit, do you reach the pedals? Do you reach the steering? Is the distance okay? If you check all those things and if you're happy with those and you reach the pedals, you reach the steering, you will be happy, you will be comfortable when you're learning. Okay, so when you come into the car, I'm not going through all the things you need to do when you come in because there are other videos on those, how to do the checks when you come into the car. I'm just giving you the tips so that you feel comfortable. So when you come into the car, first thing you're going to do is make sure your sitting is okay with your pedals. So you've got the pedals on your floor. On a manual car, you have 3. In an automatic, you have 2. You want to make sure that from the sitting position, you reach the pedals without stretching too much. You want to make sure that you put your foot down. So when you sit, put the clutch, if you are driving a manual car, put it down to the floor to check if the seat is okay. If you're learning in a manual car, check with the gas or the brake. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, both will be okay. When you're learning in a manual car, the reason we check it with the clutch, because the clutch goes the furthest down. So when you put the clutch down to the floor in a manual car, you want to make sure you could put it down to the floor without stretching. If you need to go forward or backward, make sure you adjust your seat. Make sure it goes forward and backward. Make sure you do that and adjust so that you are comfortable putting it down without stretching. Okay, so if you think it's too far or too near, move the seat and make sure you are comfortable. Make sure you could reach the pedals that you need. So that's number 1. If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. Secondly is your steering. You want to make sure your steering is not too close or not too far. You need to be comfortable. For you to be comfortable, hold the steering 1/4 to 3, because that's the best position to hold, 1/4 to 3. When you do that, make sure you have that some bend here. You don't want to be too straight, you don't want to be too close. You want to have that bend, that little bend there. Why? So that when you take your hands on the top, you could take it comfortably without going forward. Because if you're too far, then you have to do that. Okay, so when you need to move your steering with your hands, your body shouldn't move. You should be able to do it without moving your body. Okay, now what if you were too far or too close with the steering? What are you going to do? That's the problem. This is the question you need to answer, because many learners, what they do is they do the seat with the pedals. They've done the seat, that's done. They're happy with the reach and everything with the pedals, but then the steering they find is too close. So what do they do now? Do you know what they do? They start to move the seat, and that's wrong, because you've already done the seat with the pedals. If you move that now for the steering, what's going to happen? You're not going to be able to reach the pedals because you've already adjusted that. The adjustment is already done for the sitting. If you move that now because of the steering, what's going to happen? You're not going to be able to reach the pedals. So you don't move your seat. For the steering, if it's too close, what do? The back of your seat moves. it goes back and forward. In this car, there's a bar here. If I just use the bar, it goes back, it goes forward. Can you see it? So if I hold the bar, I could go as much as I need. So I go about there and I lock it. I let it go. Is that okay? If I feel that's not okay, I'm going to do it again. Pull that, and it goes here, about there. I feel about here, there. So where you feel happy, you want to be the distance from the steering, you move the back of your seat. That's number one. Number two, most cars, the steering moves as well. There's a lock here underneath. I could move that lock and it goes out, it goes in, it goes up, it goes down. Up, down, it goes in, it goes out. So you could do that. Where do you want it? And then you just lock it. Make sure you unlock, adjust where you want the steering to be, and then lock it back in. Many learners, they forget to lock it back in again. Make sure you lock it before you move the car off again, okay? So the steering moves up and down, it goes up and down, or it comes out, goes in, or the back of your seat moves. So if you think you are uncomfortable with the steering, you are too close or too far, don't move the seat. The sitting position is okay because you've already done that. That's the first thing you do. Can you reach the pedals? Once you've done that, done. Don't move that anymore. Many learners, like I said, soon as they try to adjust the steering, the distance, what do? They move the seat. Don't do that. It's the back of your seat or the steering moves. Done. The next thing is, so I've got the seat is okay. I've got the steering is okay. I'm fine. Now what's the next one? Is the mirror. Now, when I adjust the mirror, try not to adjust in a way so that I have to move my head, okay? Because the mirror moves. Move the mirror, move it the way you want the mirror to be. So that I'm going to position in a way so that I could just move my eyes and I could see it without moving my head, okay? Because if you move your head, then every time you check the mirror, you have to move your head. Because that's the way you adjust it. Adjust in a way so that just my eyes, and that's fine. And then if you want to move your head, it's fine because it's adjusted in a way. Either you could just move your eyes or you could move your head. You don't want to adjust in a way so that you have to move your head. Because the mirror moves, adjust in a way so that I could just move my eyes and I could see what's happening, okay? And then you could just move your head if you want because you've adjusted in a way. And obviously then you're going to do the side mirrors, but this is important for you to be comfortable, okay? So number one, the sitting position. Number two, the steering, the back moves. And number three is this mirror. Once you've got those settings proper and you are comfortable with it, only then you'll be comfortable when you're driving. You will find easy when you're driving. Otherwise, you're just going to be fidgety. You're going to be too stretchy, or you are too close, or you're too far. You want to make sure you check those three before you even move the car. Don't even start the car. So you don't want to move. Don't even start the car until you've checked those before you move the car, before you start the car. And that's it for this video. If you need extra help learning to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. It has more than 30 videos in the course, giving you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.